brand new series on PowerShell, one of the most powerful tools for system administration, scripting, and cybersecurity. In this video, we'll cover what PowerShell is, how it compares to CMD and Bash, and how to run PowerShell as an administrator. Let's get started. PowerShell is a task automation and configuration management framework from Microsoft. It includes a command line shell and a scripting language built on .NET. Unlike CMD, PowerShell can handle complex tasks, work with objects instead of plain text, and automate almost anything in Windows. This graph displayed on the screen compares the three major command line environments: PowerShell, CMD, and Bash. The feature column is a base comparison criteria, whether the shell works with objects, in this case PowerShell, or plain text, CMD or Bash. Cross-platform, can it run on multiple operating systems? Automation, how good it is for automating tasks. Learning curve simply means how easy or hard it is for beginners. Now, PowerShell is object-based. PowerShell attributes objects, not just text. This makes automation and scripting much more powerful. PowerShell is a cross-platform. Complexity is advanced. It performs powerful scripting capability for automation and configuration management and DevOps. Learning curves, medium. CMD, which simply means command prompt, is a text-based type. Old Windows shell attributes plain text only. Cross-platform, CMD is not a cross-platform. It is Windows only. And the feature here is the basic. It is good for simple commands and legacy tasks, but not powerful for modern automation. Learning curves, easy. CMD is very beginner friendly but limited capability. Bash, which stands for born again shell. It is a text based and attributes and manipulates text. Traditional Unix shell. Cross platform. It can run on Linux, Mac, and WSL. Bash is the default shell for most Linux systems and it works on macOS. Powerful scripting for building and automating tasks in Linux and Unix systems. Complexity, it is advanced. Basic scripting is extremely powerful but can have a stepper learning curves. CMD is limited to simple commands and text-based outputs. Bash is great for Linux scripting, while PowerShell brings the best of both worlds: object-based scripting and cross-platform support. Running a PowerShell. For you to run a PowerShell, click on Start menu and search for PowerShell. You see the PowerShell, you right click on the first one, click on Run as Administrator. It will show you elevated shell like PSC /users/administrator. Running PowerShell as administrator is important for system level tasks like managing services, editing registries, or installing software without admin rights. Some command will fail with access denied. So that's your first look at PowerShell. In upcoming videos, we'll dive into useful commands, scripting basics, and even some cybersecurity tricks with PowerShell. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. See you on the next one.